Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. I'm fully vaccinated and boosted. Just a note about my hair. This is what it looks like. I would call it dry and big. We can actually bring it down, wet it, make it look a lot more professional. Or, as you can see in my full body profile and some of my stills, we've got some styling options where we can actually trim it up a little bit. So, some flexibility. Want to do if you guys want to change it. So, thanks. Hey, so yeah, I've worked with kids. I taught at a summer camp for many, many years. Had a team of about 12 7th and 8th grade girls and boys. Our group was called the Rainbows. And throughout the course of each day, we would either work with our group, the Rainbows, or work with the broader camp in doing different types of activities. So, for example, I would teach arts and crafts. We would do swim lessons. We would do individual activities with our group itself. And then we would join the other groups, older, younger, and do much bigger activities, athletics, you name it. It was a lot of fun. Theatrical, drama. I would say one of the biggest things I learned about working with these kids was keeping them engaged, but also being sort of an authoritative figure while making sure they're having fun. So asking questions and asking everybody questions, sort of group questions and then individual questions, so that everybody was comfortable. And then demonstrating things by telling stories. They loved anecdotes and analogies, things that they could relate to. So got to keep things moving. Attention spans tend to be short, and it's all about being excited, engaged, making sure that you are in charge, but also letting the kids feel like they have room and freedom to experience new things and collaborate and sort of question themselves and learn new things. So tons of fun. So one of the things I'm working on now in teaching some adults and some kids at the same time is how to interact and train dogs. I've got a couple of dogs here that I've been working with for a few years. This is Dan Dan. Dan Dan just turned 3. This is Dee Dee. Dee Dee just turned 2.5. And the idea is my niece and nephew, they're 6 and 7. My brother and his wife are probably, say middle-aged, right? And they have a couple of dogs that do not do what they're told. The key to getting dogs to listen to you and trust you is to actually be around them and not show any anxiety, stress, or any pressure, because dogs can sense that. In order for them to be calm like this, to be chill, even though they're under bright lights, they're in a setting with a camera on them, is that they understand they're not gonna fall. They've been here before. They like feeling that they're close to me. And the reason they do that, and the reason they feel that way, is because I've been able to work with them over a period of time and show them how it's going to happen. And so I work with my niece and nephew, my brother and his wife, over the weekends, over the course of each month, and we have a ton of fun. We work with these dogs, and we work with their dogs, and it's all about understanding how to communicate. Getting across that is the biggest thing. How to communicate with the kids, the adults, and how they can better communicate with the animals. So everybody understands that the setting is safe, that there's a lot of good things to be coming from that setting, like rewards, of course. And the end goal is a better experience for everybody involved, and a safer one for the kids and for the dogs. Good boys.